quit doing wrong, start doing right. You don't care about what I think. I think I'll just stay here and drink. Hey, putting you down won't square the deal. At least you know the way I feel. Take all the money to the bank. I think I'll just stay here and drink. Just stay here and drink. Cody Bryant, please the guitar for there's a jukebox playing in my ear. Ain't no woman gonna change the way I think I'll just stay here and drink. You can have all the money in the bank. I think I'll just stay here and drink.
Well, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner for another 1-hour show of what I call fun country music. And boy, what a lineup we got tonight. As you can see, a full house here. And of course, my son Charlie flew in from Texas for Father's Day, and I couldn't be having a better Father's Day than today. My son Dylan's here, my daughter Kim, my grandson Brandon, and my other son Jason and Tess and Lily and Fender are in Cincinnati, Ohio, so we get to talk to them on the phone and see them on FaceTime, but we haven't, they're not in town, let's put it that way. Another great thing happening besides having Charlie here tonight, which I just love, and there's a rumor somewhere he might be here next week too. Is that a possibility?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we might be doing a double hitter with my son this next 2 shows. I'm so excited about that. Of course, Cody, one of our brothers, our musical brothers, Gary Swan, who we just love, my very good friend. Without him, I don't think I would have a show. My good friend Paul helps me with all the technical stuff and everything. Dan Hugott, he's kind of the guy that's always there to fill in the gap. Like he does the computer stuff for us. He helps my daughter with that and Tom Wilson with that. And then Palmer calls me this morning and says, my family did a thing today I didn't know they were going to do. It's Father's Day. I called Dan. Dan, you're not on the computer. You're playing drums. He says, great, let's go. So he's always been there to pick up the slack. So Dan, I love you and thank you. We appreciate Dan Hugott around here, believe me. Now, what a surprise I get. I walk in and a good friend of mine, Bob Gother, is sitting in one of the chairs out here off stage. And when I had my hands operated on, I could not play guitar for almost 5 months. And there were 2 players I called. The main one was Bob Gother, and he saved me so many times. I mean, he was loyal. I mean, there's not a lot of money in this, folks. You know, so when you got a guy like Bob, with everything that he can do, come week after week and help support you, that goes straight to the heart. So, Bob Gother, we love you. And I'm so happy. And he was so funny. I said, you want to play? Of course, I'm going to ask him to play. And he says, well, I'm really not dressed. I said, that got nothing to do with this show. So just get up there and play. So he's with us tonight. We're very happy to have him. Okay, enough of that. Charlie, we'll talk more later. Bob Smith Toyota, we're coming to you from Bob Smith. Today is Father's Day. You probably got a shot of the balloon a few minutes earlier. And so that's it. So do another one and we'll move on.
Thank you, Dad.
Anything you want to say?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to say a lot of stuff, but I'm going to try not to be pretentious, but still do a Rodney Crowell song.
Oh, I love that.
Is that cool? That's being pretentious. Key of D. Key of D, you'll know where the 5 after I start singing. Just vamp it. It goes like this. It goes like. Just like the song over the mountaintop. Paul knows how to play music. I will always come again. You know I like to spend the morning time like sunlight dancing on your skin. Never gone so wrong as to tell in lies to you. What you see is what I've been. There's nothing I could lighthouse you must stand alone and mark the sailor's journey's end. No matter which ocean I'm sailing on, I'll always roll your way again. Out on the water, hold me now. There are some turns that I will spin. I only hope that you can hold me now, till I can gain control again. That's more of a feeling. Out on the road tonight, hold me now. There are some turns that I will spin. I only hope that you can hold me now, till I can gain control again. Till I can gain control again. Thank you, band. That was awesome.
Charlie.
That was fun, man.
Great job. That's my boy Charlie, man. Singing his butt off again. Love it. So what's going on in Texas?
A lot of good stuff.
Yeah.
I bet there is. Anyway, oh, real quick. I want to do this real quick. We did this on Mother's Day. 1 or 2 words at the most. Tell me about your dad. What'd you like about your dad?
You talking to me?
Yeah, Father's Day. If you could describe your dad, you know, in what would it be?
My dad was a very happy man.
Good,
He always looked at the bright side of things.
good,
And
good.
he lived a long time.
Charlie, I'm going to ask you last, so you'll have time to say something.
I want to go now.
No, you got to make this good. There's a lot of people watching. Hey,
Pressure's
Cody,
on.
Or next week, if it's more convenient.
Cody,
to you.
I never knew your dad. I did know your mom.
Yeah,
1 word.
steady.
Steady. See? I love that. That's the kind of people we need. Steady people. I'm scared to death to ask this guy anything. Gary Swan, my good friend. Give me something good about your dad.
He was better than all your dads.
That's, you see, that's such a cool answer. When we did this on Mother's Day, he said the same thing.
What were you expecting?
Well, you know, I should have learned from Mother's Day not to let you go last. That's why I
Well,
blew it.
My dad was the one, he loved organ, and he was the one that played drums. He said, if you learn to play the organ, I'll buy you any set of drums you want. But he lied. He never bought
And
the
you stuck with the organ. Good.
He told me, he said,
he
I said,
pushed
you're
you-
going to buy that drums now? He said, you can't play that thing.
Okay, real quick. My dad, if I had 1 word, I would say wisdom. And that's all I'm going to say about my dad. Had a lot of wisdom. Okay, Charlie, you're up. Make me look good.
I got a lot of cousins that are watching right now. That passed it down wisdom.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, and if your kids were here, they'd say something good about you, I'm sure. Okay, so, Paul, you want to do one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's rock. What happened?
They don't have mics.
Oh, Bob. Jesus, I'm sorry. Well, I forgot he was even here. I haven't seen him in a while.
No mic,
Okay.
no voice.
No, my dad was a very hard worker and a great golfer.
Really?
He had many holes in one in his life. I think about
Oh, my
11.
God.
About 11
Oh,
holes
my
in
God.
one. And he'd be proud if I said that right now, you know.
Well, God bless him. He's hearing you. He knows. Well, that's good, Bob. I'm sorry I forgot you. on that.
Well, what about the drummer?
That's
Right over
just-
there.
Dan, hit me. Your dad.
My dad wishes he had bought those drums for Gary instead.
Yes, he did. That's why I always liked.
He bought him a mic.
I loved his dad too.
Anyway, all you great dads out there, all you fathers who support your family and love your children and take care of your wives and do the best you can. It's a long, hard job, but it has a lot of good benefits, and I'm living proof of that. So, yeah, man, we all love our families. So happy Father's Day to all you dads out there. God bless you all. All right, let's rock it.
Yeah. G.
Key to G, boys.
Red, red wine, stay close to me. I'm gonna do this one more time. Red, red wine, stay close to me. Don't let me be alone. Good Lord. Red, red wine, it's up to you. All I can do, I've done, but memories won't go. No, memories won't go. I'd have sworn that with time, thoughts of you would leave my head. I was wrong, now I find just one thing makes me forget. Red, red wine, stay close to me. Don't let me be alone. It's tearing apart my blue, blue heart.
when I get home, I'm gonna try and remember what the first words to the song are.
It won't matter.
When you screw up the first line, it's kind of, you don't know where to go from there. You know?
He sang a couple of songs last week that had like a line in it where, like, at the end of the song, the person would die, right? So you tell the story, and then at the end, the guy dies, right? Well, he sings the part about the guy dying at the beginning of the song. Now he's got to come up with something that said the guy just died, and I got this whole song to go, and I ended it already.
He's already dead. What am I gonna do now?
You know, so in fact, you did make a comment. You said something like, I just made that the shortest song ever. And as I was starting to play my solo, he said that on the mic. So I just finished the song. All right, Charlie, hit us one more time. Then we'll maybe get Gary to do one. That's funny stuff.
Oh man.
Bob, thanks for coming tonight. We love you, brother.
You know I'm gonna. While Charlie's thinking of what song to do, I'm gonna tell you. I rehearsed that song for last week. Remember, we did it at the sound check.
Yes.
And I knew all the words.
Right.
Last week.
Yeah.
This week, not so much.
Well, you know, this is a week-to-week show. We don't know what's going to happen. Shoot.
But I thought, heck, I did the sound check. I did it at the sound check last week. I'll surely remember.
Yeah.
No. Watch for it next week. It could come back.
Key of E, it's gonna come in on the 1.
I'm a shoe shine man, number one in the land. I'm a shoe shine man, I'll make you shine where you stand. Give me a tip if you can. I'm a shoe shine man. I can sing, I can dance, I can play the harmonica too. Got a brand new thing they call the Crosstown Montgomery Blues. So gather around, children, 'cause I'm an entertaining fool. Yeah, I'm a shoe shine man, number one in the land. I'm a shoe shine man, make you shine where you stand. Give me a tip if you can. I'm a shoe shine man. Well, I learned this trick from that great poppin' daddy of mine. We shot a pair of alligators for $100 bill one time. Now when we get together, we shine 2 or 3 pair for a dime. I'm a shoe shine man, number one in the land. I'm a shoe shine man, you shine where you stand. Give me a tip if you can. I'm a shoe shine man. Shine 'em up there, Cody. great song.
It's a good song. I don't know who did it.
And you got all the lyrics right, too, unlike me.
No, I skipped the verse. Because it's about a young girl. So I skipped. Sounds good to me.
It's so fun.
We're up here at Carmine's Country Corner with Gary Swan, Cody Bryant, my son Charlie Saudo Jr., my junior son that I love from Texas. My son Dylan is here running around somewhere. Bob Gothard surprised us, and so I hope you come back more and play some with us, Bob. We love having you. Of course, Paul and Dan, you got on drums. So I hope you're enjoying the show. Tell your friends about it, and happy Father's Day to everybody. And that's about it. And yeah, what do you got, Gary?
Face of an angel, pretty eyes that shine. I cry late at night, wishing you were mine. Standing there open, biggest heartache in town. Whenever you come around, I get weak at the knees, and I lose my breath. Though I try so hard, but the words won't come. I'm so scared of that. When you smile, that smile, world turns upside down. Never you come around, I feel so helpless. I feel just like a kid. Is it about you? Makes me, keeps my feelings hid. Standing there open, biggest heartache in town. Whenever you come around, I get weak at the knees, and I lose my breath. Though I try so hard, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile, world turns upside down. Ever you come around. Come on, Charlie. awake at night, wishing you were mine. I'm standing here rolling, biggest heartache in town. Whenever you come around, I get weak and weak, Lord, and I lose my breath. Though I try so hard, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile, world turns upside down. Whenever you come around, whenever you come around.
You know what? I'm only going to say one thing about that. First of all, I love the way Gary sings. I love the way all the guys sing, but Gary, every once in a while, he nails it, and he just nailed it again. But anyway, I got to tell you, man.
Never on TV.
But folks, I want you to know, who's ever watching or listening, and whoever you are, no rehearsals in this band are allowed. We do all this off the cuff. Gotha hates that. He wants to know what's going on every minute. I say, don't worry about it. It would help, yeah, but it's all right. We figured it out. But anyway, that was great.
You know
How
that
dare you
rehearsal
bring
we
that
didn't have?
attitude in.
That rehearsal we didn't have 4 weeks ago, you should have been there.
Yeah.
Well, Bob's helped me. It got me out of so many ditches musically. I'd go to him. Someone would want to do a song on the show, you know. Been doing this for over 3 years. When Bob was working, I'd say, Bob, what the hell's that second chord he's playing? He'd tell me. He knew everything. He would always straighten me out. I love him. One, two, three. Blue and broken hearted me. I'm holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, Susie, blue and broken hearted me. I never felt so down and out, and I never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue and broken hearted me. Gary. And I can't explain the way I feel, and I feel pretty good, I gotta tell you. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Cody. I taught him how to play. And it's blue and broken hearted me. I'm holding to a to be. It's blue and broken hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. And every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue and broken hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me.
Armand Sardo, the star of the show, except when he's not here.
That was a lot of fun. I've never not been here. Even when I couldn't play and my hands were all, because I operated on my hands, and my good buddy Bob Gotha came up and, you know, and I would sit out there with my hands were in bandages, right? But I was so determined to keep the show going that I would just kind of like MC it, you know, like I'm doing. And then and Bob did a lot of singing with us too, and a lot of great stuff. So I would just walk off, let the boys do a song, I'd come back on. Now when I'd walk off, I'd be sitting out there listening to the band. So being an honest guy with myself and trying to man up to everything, I had to go over to Bob Gotha one day, and I told him, I said, Bob, I got to tell you, I said, the band sounds better without me. I just had to fess up. He was playing so great. So anyway, but I'm back, and it sounds the way it sounds now because I'm back in it. But I want to thank you all for watching. And Charlie, you want to do another one?
I do.
Okay. Cody, are you ready to sing yet?
I might be.
You might be. See, with Cody Bryant, you just never know.
I think your line was, the band sounds better without me, but it's my show.
That's right. It's my. See that sign? I paid for that sign. So they got to put up with me. Let's put it that way. All right, Charlie, what do we got?
Give A, halftime.
Halftime A. We only play it half of the time. All right.
Oh,
trying to get all you old men to speed it up. See how fast we can play.
We got about 13 minutes left, and that's not enough time to have all the fun we feel like having. But Paul, go ahead. Let's do another one.
Let's do that. Here's one I kind of know. I think I know this one.
Okay.
Uh-oh. That's what you said last time, Paul.
6 days on the road in A. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well, I pulled out of Pittsburgh, rolling down the eastern seaboard. I got my diesel wound up, and she's running like never before. There's a speed zone ahead, all right. I don't see a cop in sight. 6 days on the road, gonna make it home tonight. 10 forward gears and a Georgia overdrive. I'm taking little white pills and my eyes are open wide. I just passed a Jimmy and White. I've been up as I never think in sight. 6 days on the road, gonna make it home tonight. Well, it seemed like a month since I kissed my little baby bye-bye. I could have a lot of women, but I'm not like some other guy. I can find one to hold me tight. Well, I think they leave it's all right. 6 days on the road, gonna make it home tonight. Well, the ICC been checking on down the line. I'm a little overweight, my logbook is way behind. But nothing bothers me tonight. I can dodge them scales all right. 6 days on the road, I'm gonna make it home tonight. Yeah, my rig's a low, but that don't mean she's slow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a flame from a stack, smoke's so blowing black as coal. My hometown's coming in sight. If you think I'm happy, you're right. 6 days on the road, gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road, gonna make it home tonight. Yeah, 6 days on the road, gonna make it home tonight.
Woohoo! Oh, that was a rocker there, Paul. Cody, you want to do one? I don't know yet. See what he says. Is he looking at me?
What?
I'm scared
Did I
to
hear
look
my
over there.
name?
I hear him. I hear a
I
voice.
heard my name mentioned.
Yeah, boy. Go ahead. Thank you very much. Go-
I reckon I might have one just about right down here in the KG.
You got it, buddy.
I met a guy today. It's a long story. It's like 20 minutes, but I'll cut it down to like 15. I met a guy partied on the bus with Mo Bandy and Joe Stampley. Now, how often does that happen?
Today?
Today.
Today?
Today. He says,
Oh, Bandy.
yeah, and he still remembered it. And he ended up sleeping in the Palomino parking lot all night long.
Oh, who hasn't done that?
Yeah. And I don't think he was the only one. Okay, Kichi. Kia George. Who was once a bucking son of a gun? Now who hides a pint out behind shoe number one? And who was riding high till the pretty girl rolled into the ground? Well, any kid knows where to find me. I'm Bandy the rodeo clown. Well, the roping and the riding, I was closing in on number one. Now in dreams at night I ride on the silver saddle I never won. Since she left me, the whiskey takes me to the rodeo ground, where the cowboys think I'm handy. I'm Randy the rodeo clown. Well, I could ride 'em all. The bulls and the broncs knew I was born. Yeah, but the ride that woman took me on broke all that more than this old cowboy's bone. Now the tears on my makeup turn my maiden smile into a frown. But the crowd thinks I'm the dandy. I'm Bandy the rodeo clown. Oh, Carmine Sorrow now. Now I could ride 'em all. The bulls and the broncs knew I was born. But the ride that woman took me on broke a whole lot more than this old cowboy's bone. Now the tears on my makeup turned my maiden smile into a frown. But the crowd thinks I'm a dandy. I'm Bandy the rodeo clown. But the crowd thinks I'm a dandy. I'm Bandy the rodeo clown. Thank you.
Oh, I love that one, Cody.
Well, folks, we've got time for one more, and so Charlie's going to close the show. Want to thank you all for watching. I hope it sounded as good out there as it sounded up here. The band really sounded good tonight. People in the audience seem to like it. We don't have a big audience, but they're true and they're
We filled every seat, though.
pretty gutsy, I'll tell you. We did
we
fill
filled
every
every
seat we
seat.
had. That's right.
It's the only audience we could afford.
That's right. So, Charlie, thank you. Charlie, we're going to see you next Sunday. It looks right.
Yes.
If there's any changes, we'll let them know, but y'all going to be here, and I'm happy about that.
Wild Horses.
Oh, I love that song.
No, couldn't keep me from next Sunday is what I mean.
Oh, you're not doing that song?
I'm not breaking out Rolling Stones right now.
Oh! Well, you totally got me.
I'll be here
I
Sunday.
got ambushed on that one. Bob, thank you. Hey, Bob, if you're not doing anything next Sunday, come on up. Anytime.
I'd like to, yeah.
Okay, brother.
We'll check my schedule.
Do it.
The song's written by a really old hippie.
Oh, you play one of mine?
You might know him. She's got everything she needs. She's an artist, she don't look bad. Kissy. She's got everything she needs. She's an artist, she don't look bad. She could take the dark out of the nighttime. Paint the daylight black. She never stumbles. She's got no place to fall. She never stumbles. She's got no place to fall. She's nobody's child. Law can't touch her at all. Let's hear some piano. She wears an Egyptian ring. It sparkles before she speaks. An Egyptian ring sparkles before she speaks. She's a hypnotist collector. You're a walking antique. We're gonna go about 2 minutes over, Kim, if that's cool, okay? Thank you. Cody, man, play it. Come on, Dad. birthday comes. Bow down to her on Sunday, salute her when her birthday comes. For Halloween, buy her a trumpet, Christmas buy her a drum. Now this goes everybody at the same time. Just make it happen. Paradise Country Corner. One more time, guys. Come on, bring that.
Good night, folks. Happy Father's Day. God bless you all.